We're taking a step back, clouds, some rain coming down out there. So let's take a look at Chautauqua County at noontime today. Actually, some breaks in the cloud cover down that direction. And, you know, all we need is a little bit of that sun going on to send the temperatures further up into the 70s. And I think that may happen, at least in some spots. As we take a look at forward Doppler, we actually have a little mini storm that's drifting through the area. You can kind of see the circulation here just off to the west or to the north of Buffalo right now. There's actually some bands of rain pinwheeling around the storm system. And some of these bands of rain producing some locally heavier downpours, especially up to the northeast of Buffalo. But this is showing some pretty nice movement. And as I just showed you, a few breaks in the cloud cover down here in Chautauqua County. And there's more back here to the west. So I would not be surprised if we see breaks in the clouds, especially to the west and south of Buffalo during the course of the afternoon as this starts to kick out of here. Let's take a look at the satellite picture, and you can see that happening here. Some sizable breaks in the clouds now across Ohio out over Lake Erie. And some of that could very well be heading our way by the finish of the afternoon. Super Microcast is showing the rain showers and storms over the area today becoming more scattered this afternoon. Now, even with the return of that sunshine, I wouldn't rule out maybe some spotty type shower and thunderstorm activity developing this afternoon, but most of this is going to be winding down along the Pennsylvania line, the southern tier as we get into the early evening hours, and then a break in the action for the overnight. Tomorrow, another round of scattered showers and thunderstorms develop across the area as yet a cool front heads our way tomorrow. That's going to be the trigger for tomorrow's activity, and that winds down getting into Thursday and Friday as we return to the sunshine across the area. It will be much more comfortable too to wrap up the week. Right now 70 in Buffalo, down by the lakeshore at Dunkirk, 72 at the Falls. We have a 65 down here at Bradford, 64 at Wellsville, and dew point temperature still well into the 60s, so it is still quite humid. In fact, very humid here in Buffalo. With that dew point at 67 up around 70, it becomes oppressive. Let's check your forecast details. Sunset time 8:25 tonight. Water temp rebounding to 79 off Buffalo now, and a 53 off Rochester on Lake Ontario. Still some upwelling there along the south shore of Lake Ontario. Occasional rain showers and thunderstorms and downpours are going to be tapering off this afternoon, becoming more scattered, and again, maybe some breaks in the cloud cover, especially from Buffalo west and south. Quite muggy, 70 to 76 for the overnight. Chance of an evening thunder shower to the south and mostly to partly cloudy. 57 inland, 65 in the city. Tomorrow, another round of scattered showers and thunderstorms fire up some limited sun, becoming quite breezy, especially in the Niagara Frontier in the afternoon. 73 to 77 degrees. And on Thursday, mostly sunny, less humid, more comfy. 70 to 75 degrees. That's our day. And another one heading our way on Friday, even though the temperatures are back into the upper 70s, still kind of reasonably low humidity. Scattered showers and storms enter into the picture again over the weekend.
All right. Thank you very much, Mike. And we're